I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about these awesome new earrings that I've been making at home from a jewelry kit that I found on Amazon. So if you're interested in possibly making these or these or even these, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so today we're gonna do an earring making kit that I got off of Amazon. It comes with 24 color leather sheets, 200 earring hooks, 200 jump rings, 12 earring templates, 5 earring display cards, 1 jump ring opener, 1 pillar, 1 scissors, and 1 hole puncher. So it comes with 2 packets. So it comes with 12 sheets of glitter. There's only one that's more metallic, but there's 11 sheets of different types of glitter patterns that you can do. This is the front. These are the back. And then this one is the set of leather. And there's 12 of these. So I figured we could do the leather ones. As you guys can see, I've already done a glitter pair that I really like. Super cute. So we're going to do a gold pair, and we're going to use this stencil right here. And they say that you can draw it on the actual fabric like this. I don't like doing it on this side where the actual fabric is. So I'll flip it over. I'll put it as close as I can to the fabric because I want to get as many jewelry pieces out as possible. And then this is my favorite pen. It says Deadlines. And what you're going to do is you're just going to hold it down, make a little stencil outline of the earring. And it's really easy to do, you guys. Like, I'm super excited and impressed how easy this was. I was actually doing this at lunch today. Okay, just like that. And then of course, we're gonna make the inside. You guys can do this with a marker if you want, but I just find it a little bit easier to use a pen. Perfect. Now all you have to do is, again, this is the color fabric that we're using, gold. Comes with scissors already. Alright, now I normally just kind of bend it, make a little slit. If you're into making your own jewelry, I would highly recommend this one. There was another one that I saw on Amazon, but I liked that this one came with not only just leather fabric, but it also came with glitter fabric. So I wanted something that had a little bit of both. And boom, you guys, look at that. So now that we have our first one done, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this hole puncher right here that you see, comes with it, and you're going to put it right there. Put pressure, turn, and it'll start to make a dent for you. And then it'll just pop out the piece, just like that. So you just have a clear piece. Like how much fabric you still have. Still have so much fabric. I just leave that over there. Again, I'm going to pinch in the middle. Like that. Perfect. Again, we're going to do the same thing. Use the hole puncher, press it down on the circle piece, push down hard, twist, 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 twist. I'll go with silver. Let's go with silver. I like silver. Use 2 big pieces of the silver, and then we'll use 2 small pieces of the silver. So this is where we're going to be using. Now this piece right here, you're supposed to put on your finger. Any finger is fine. And what you're wanting to do is you're wanting to put the ring in it to where it locks it in place. So when you use the pliers, you can push it down and it'll turn the jewel for you. It's actually pretty cool, pretty nifty. It took me a little bit of time to kind of get an idea of how to use it because it kept falling off. But now that I know what I'm doing, this is so much fun. Like that. Okay. And what we want to do is we want to close it a little. Not too much. Just enough to where there's a little piece of the silver left. And then what you want to do is you want to place the circle one, the small one, inside the big hoop. Okay. Just like that. And now what you're going to do is you're going to take these 2 pieces right here. You're going to close them. Make sure that they're even as possible. And then you want to close it. That one's done. The big one piece is done. You're now starting to have something hanging. So what I do is I take this one, doing the same thing. And I actually just take it like that with my hand and twist, because it's easier for me to do that. And then I just place the earring on there, and there you have it. Your first earring. So exciting. And now all I'm doing, you guys, is I'm just repeating the steps. Less than 10 minutes, you have your own earrings that are super lightweight, super cute, and you can do your own style.
Alright, you guys, well, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up and also hit the notification so you know when I upload a new video. As always, I love you guys and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!
The stranger in the corner on the sand.